Little storyteller.
Leo and Mia had a bright yellow laundry basket in their room. One sunny morning, they heard a funny noise. Rumble, rumble. The basket wiggled a little. Mia giggled. Did you hear that, Leo? Leo, wearing a t-shirt with a friendly dinosaur, peeked inside. The laundry basket was full of clean clothes, but something was moving at the bottom. Suddenly, a single blue sock disappeared with a soft slurp. Leo and Mia looked at each other, surprised. They found another sock, a stripy red one with no partner, and dropped it in. Slurp! It vanished too. It only eats mismatched socks, Mia exclaimed, her eyes wide with wonder. Curiosity twinkling in their eyes, Leo and Mia carefully climbed into the laundry basket. It felt a little bouncy. Then, with a gentle whoosh, they slid down a swirling tunnel of colors. They landed softly in a grassy field, filled with giant dandelions. All around them, single socks were having amazing adventures. A fluffy purple sock, with big googly eyes, was using a ladybug as a boat on a sparkling blue puddle. A long, thin green sock was climbing a flower stem like a rope. Leo and Mia saw a bright orange sock, with a little hole near the toe, trying to reach a juicy red berry, hanging from a branch. It stretched and stretched, but it was just a little too short. Maybe we can help, said Mia. Leo carefully lifted the orange sock, and Mia gently nudged the berry, until it fell right into the sock's open top. The orange sock wiggled happily. Suddenly, they heard a chorus of tiny cheers. Many single socks gathered around Leo and Mia, their knitted bodies bouncing with excitement. They had all sorts of games they played: sock sliding down dew-covered leaves, sock swinging from blades of grass, and sock rolling races. It was getting late. The sky in the land of lost socks was turning a lovely shade of lavender. The mismatched socks waved goodbye as Leo and Mia climbed back into the laundry basket. With another gentle whoosh, they were back in their room. The yellow laundry basket stood quietly in the corner. Leo and Mia smiled. They knew that even though the socks were single, they were never really alone. In the land of lost socks, being different was an adventure all its own, and sometimes, helping others, even a little mismatched sock, can bring a lot of joy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.